girls, we're gonna do some science experiments. This is Mateo, I'm Milan, and Marcus. He's a baby, he's 1. And I'm 5 and 6.
How old are you, Mateo? Mateo, how old are you?
Like 7.
7. Good job.
Okay, so we're gonna do our science experiment.
And what is your science experiment all about?
About beans. And we're gonna put some waters right here.
And what do they do with the beans?
They crack. Look at this one, mine is cracking.
And what is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to crack and it comes a plant.
Is it supposed to become a plant?
Look at the
Show me, are yours cracking, Mateo? Is
Yeah.
it yours cracking? Your beans?
See?
Is it gonna come a plant?
No. Then
I put some water.
Okay, in each one you put
no.
2 drops. 5 drops in each one.
Daddy.
Is it all of them are cracking?
No, some of them, like these 2.
Those 2? Okay, and the other 2? You're still working on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long you had this? How long you had this, Mateo?
2 days.
2 days?
Actually,
Okay.
it's 2
Okay,
days.
Mateo's turn.
5 drops in each.
5 drops on each.
Baby doesn't have one. Squeeze.
Squeeze. Okay.
Squeeze it. Throw it up.
5 drops in each. Squeeze. Good job. Okay, get more water. Okay, squeeze. Ya está. It's ready. Okay, let's see. Wait, Mateo. Let's see. Right there. You get water. Okay, now it's ready. Squeeze. Each one 5 drops. Good job. The next one.
Next.
Squeeze. Yeah, let it go. Let it go. Okay, squeeze here. Good job. Next one. Squeeze. Get it? Marcus, you like the science project? Yes. Okay.
He doesn't work on it.
Can you sing happy birthday? All done? Is it you coming the plant?
See?
Which one is your favorite color?
No. What? Back.
Black? Oh, okay. And which one is your favorite color, Milan?
White,
I'm not gonna
brown. Really nice.
Okay.
All of the colors. I love all of the colors.
Okay, get together with Mateo.